today is April 12th. We are doing Chapter 3, Part 4. The first thing I need to tell you, anuncio. El viernes no hay clase porque hay examen. Which means on Friday there's no class because there's a test. It is open now, but it will close at noon on Friday. It's open note just like the last one. Okay, some of these, actually a lot of these words are on there, so let's go over them again. And I know we're getting tired of these words, but I promise today and Wednesday are the last time we will go over them, and then you will be done with them. We will move on to Chapter 4. Bless you. Okay.
Almorzar. Jugar los videojuegos.
No, sorry. You try to go to the bathroom and get like toilet paper.
Cena, hablar.
Yeah, that was really fast, but there you go.
El parque. Estudiar. Desayunar. Dormir. La universidad. Mirar la televisión.
Oh my gosh, you guys are blowing my mind right now.
La escuela. La biblioteca. Comer comida mexicana. Montar a caballo. Ir de compras. Trabajar. Practicar un deporte. La librería.
Bookstore.
El trabajo.
Job or work, yes.
La playa. Ir. Montar a bicicleta. Andar. Tocar un instrumento. Caminar.
Nope, it's also to walk.
Empezar. Nadar. Almorzar.
We did that.
El yoga.
The hardest one. El yoga. In Portuguese, it's spelled with an I-O-G-A, and so I was like looking at it, I couldn't figure out what it was, and I asked my teacher, like, what is el yoga? And I was like, never mind. Once I said yoga, I felt really dumb.
Andar a bicicleta. Asistir a clase. Escribir. Leer. En el coro. La oficina. El cine.
Yeah, movie theater.
Jugar deportes. Regresar.
Yes.
Comprar. La clase. Viajar.
Good job.
Cantar. La casa. El gimnasio.
The house again, yes. The gym.
Bici barra bici. Usar. El periódico. Cocinar.
To cook.
Con mis amigos.
Yay, you guys are doing so much better at those. I'm impressed. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, you guys, I think that was awesome. Okay. So in many countries, university students, and we talked about this last week, many students choose a specialized major from the beginning of their studies, and all students in that major take the same classes together. For example, below you see a class schedule for first semester pharmacy students at La Universidad Central de Venezuela. So we would call it a cohort, right? You come in, you're a freshman, you decide that you're going to pick, well, these people picked pharmacy, you decide you're going to pick medicine. You and all the other freshmen will go through all your classes together. So by the time you're seniors, you'll know each other really well. Okay, so I didn't know where La Universidad Central de Venezuela was. So I looked it up. Here it is, right here. And it's next to a whole bunch of other schools. Here we have Instituto Nacional de Bioingeniería, so like National Institute of Biology. Here we have the School of Sanitary Engineering. Here we have the School of Mechanical Engineering.
All those little schools part of that big school.
So yes, so what I think is that all those little schools are part of the university, and I like they are technically walkable, but that is quite far to walk.
This also looks like some other big roads.
Yeah, it looks like it's on a huge highway. So personally, I wouldn't want to walk. I would probably either take a bus or take my bike. Okay, so then if you look at it again, it's in Caracas, and it's a couple hours away from the beach, but it's up there in the mountains. And then if you look at it even farther away, there it is. I know, the mountains and the beach, right? Isn't that cool? In Honduras, unfortunately, like the mountains are in the middle. We did go to the beach in the north, it's about 6 hours away, and then the beach in the south is all black sand because it's volcanic sand. And it's only 3 hours away, and we did not get to do that because I had the twins. But yeah, it seems like they all have really cool beaches around here. I mean, Belize, Honduras, Nicaragua, they're all famous for their beaches. And like, you look at this, they're like, I don't know, they're right across from Barbados. So yeah, I'm guessing their beaches are awesome. Okay, so let's see if we go to their website. Let's see what kind of things you can understand. Okay, so you should understand Universidad Central de Venezuela, see? Okay. How about organización, see? Facultades, any guess what that is? Faculty, good job. And then investigación, it's not actually investigation. Think about what a university does. Yes, research, it's research. There you go, it's research. And then here you can see like all the things you can study: medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, sciences, economic sciences, veterinary sciences. So it's a very sciencey school. And I was looking at the pictures, I think that the school's pretty old. That screams 70s to me. But that's cool. Okay. Okay, so just to review. Okay, repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, if it's in morado, it's los días de la semana. If it's in rosado, it's el fin de semana. So if it's in purple, it's the days of the week, and if it's in rosado, it's pink. It's the weekend. And then I know you guys know this song, but it helps you remember to hear it to music. I don't know why, but studies have shown this.
It's the mouse, right?
It's the mouse.
This oceanside verbo is about to become the backdrop for an unforgettable vacation memory.
Maybe. Okay, and then he goes for an hour, but we don't need to listen to him for an hour. There are hundreds of other songs, but that's my favorite. One, because it's only 30 seconds long, and two, because it's fast, which I think makes it easier to remember than like when they have like the guitar slow songs where they do the days of the week.
I remember the one where I was kids, like, that's the one I always do.
Well, send it to me and I'll add it to the class,
I'll see that.
to the class Blackboard links, because I'm always looking for more stuff. Okay, so here's their schedule. So, like, for example, Física, what do they have? Like, what is Física? Physics, and then Prof. Miguel Mijares is obviously their teacher, right? Salud is health, by the way. Everything else we should know. Química General, Física, Química General.
That's all.
Yeah.
You can get me up instead of talk about physics.
Okay, so salud is health, so salud pública is public health. Formación general, so general formation of a scientist. I don't know. You guys take sciencey classes. Is that a thing? General formation? I don't know how I would translate that to English then. Okay, so Química Orgánica 1 is going to be what?
Really tough class.
Yes.
Organic one.
Yep. And you'll notice if it's a girl, they put profa. And if it's a boy, they put prof. If you've ever emailed me, I sign it DRA, doctora. If I'm a girl, it'd be just doctor if I were a boy. Okay, then they have prácticas, which would be like what we would call labs, right? Like when you go and practice what you've learned. And then talleres are workshops if you have to go to workshops. And then in the night here, they have Química Orgánica 1 again. Okay, let's see what they have. Los estudiantes tienen una clase a las 7 de la mañana los lunes. Okay, 7 in the morning on Mondays. So let's find out what they have 7 on Mondays. Why is it so small? It's física. Okay. Esa clase se llama física. Uno de los profesores se llama Jaime Jarris. Tienen la clase con ese profesor los... Okay, Jaime. There he is. Okay, now what is it wanting to know? Is it wanting to know what day or what time? So it's martes a las 8. Tienen la clase con este profesor los martes, ¿sí? Los martes no tienen muchas clases. Ese día solo tienen la clase de... Oh, maybe it was wrong. No, it's the same class. Okay, so salud. Salud means health, but that's what I say to you guys when you sneeze. Because in Spanish, instead of saying bless you, they're wishing you health because you're sick if you're sneezing. Okay, los miércoles tienen 2 clases. Okay, let's see what they have miércoles. Miércoles. General Chem and Organic Chem. Why not? Oh, so it's like a 3rd class after that? Nice. We should write the textbook. Tell them.
Yeah.
Because I think they just... I know, right? We have an error in your book, and for $5, we'll tell you.
Yeah. We'll figure it out for $5.
Exactly. Okay, los lunes y jueves tienen la clase de física a las... Okay, lunes y jueves tienen física at what time? So hang on, lunes y jueves, física. Is that física? Yes. So, sí. Tienen estas clases a las 7 de hasta las 8. So from 7 to 8 o'clock they have that class. Okay, también tienen la clase de blank a esta hora los miércoles y viernes. So they have what class at this time on miércoles y viernes. So we're looking at 7 o'clock, miércoles y viernes. And they have química general. Finalmente, 2 de los profesores son Micael Mijares y Carlos Ayala. Say that 5 times fast. Ayala. Tienen clases con esos profesores los blank y blank. Okay, so we have the professors, Mijares and Ayala, and now we need the 2 days that they have them. Lunes y jueves. Okay. So let's look at this again. This time I filled in the sentences for you. But these words that you keep seeing, esa, ese, esas, esa, esos, and they always go before a noun. So these are the same sentences that we just looked at, except I filled them out for you. I filled out the answers already. So we have, for example, the students have a class at 7 in the morning on Mondays. That class is called physics. One of the students is named Jaime Chavez. They have class with that professor on Tuesdays. Okay, so you know why it's esa and why it's ese? Yeah, one's a man and this one is física is feminine. Yeah, it's feminine and masculine. Good job. Okay, so the 4 words being used for that are those. We have ese, and then as you said, if it's feminine, it's esa. To make it plural, yep, esos and esas. Do we have esas? Yes, in blue. Okay, so those are our 4 words for that or those. And you already answered this. Which one of these do you think will go with a word that is masculine and plural? Which of these would it be? Esos, feminine and plural. Esas, feminine and singular. Esa, you are correct. And then masculine and singular, ese. It's that and those. Yep. Yeah. Correct. Good job. Good explanation. So basically what we did is we went over the exact same sentences that we did before, but I put in color for you the words that mean that or this, or those. Sorry, that or those. So here's what you need to know of what you just missed. What words are being used for that or those? Ese, esa, esos, and esas. And of course, it depends on if what you're talking about is masculine or feminine, and if it's plural or singular, which one of these you're going to use. Okay. Actividad. Usar that and those en español. Ese libro. Esas profesoras. Esa clase.
So the class name would be
Feminine. It's feminine and singular. And then day is masculine and singular. Ese día and esos profesores. Good job. Look, we're on page 6 of 7 already. We're trucking along. Okay, so in English, if you say this and these, you're talking about something closer to you. So if I said, for example, like, hand me this book, as opposed to hand me that book, this book is closer to me, that book is farther away from me. We just know this automatically in English, right? It's the same in Spanish. Okay, this and these are closer to you, that and those are farther away from you. I don't have like it's 5 feet and 6 inches. No, it's basically what you would say in English. If you would say this book, you use this. If you would say that book, you use that. And you're going to be correct. Are there situations where you could use either one? Yes, for things kind of in the middle. Okay, so en español, this, we just did that and those. Now we need to do this and these. So the ones that are closer to us, this is este if it's masculine and singular. It's esta si es femenino y singular.
would the little chart be on the blackboard for us to refer back to?
No.
Okay.
I just made it when I was making this document. Sorry. I don't have the chart like as a picture or anything. Okay, and then in Espanol, that, things that are farther from you are ese and esa, and those are esos and esas. They're used exactly the same, the only difference is if you're talking about something close to you or far away. This city is closer to me than that city. These cats are closer to me than those cats. What's the only difference you see between the top 2 rows of words and the bottom 2 rows of words? It's a T. What is the difference? The difference is la letra T. Here you go. There's your answer. The only difference is the T. Here's how you remember it. This and these both have T's. That and those don't. I do not. In Spanish? Oh, okay. I was like, en español, no. Pero en inglés, sí. Okay. Actividad final. Práctica. Okay. This book. Este libro. That book. Yes. And the word is not responding. Ese libro. Huh. What just happened? Glitch in the matrix. Somewhere we'll see a black cat. Okay. Go away. There's this student and she's a female. This male student. Those tests. Esos. And these classes. See, it's easy, right? Like, once you know the whole, like, this and these both have T's, I think it's easy. Okay, and then here's your 4 ways to say goodbye. Adios, hasta luego, hasta pronto, and ciao. Hey, as long as you have one that you use, you're good. I use ciao. I don't know why, it's just my favorite. Yeah, and